Okay, Hollimer's Drunken Wings and more, and my pudding is back. We told you when we get through we will bring you the finished products. Yummy, look at those ribs, look. Barbecue chicken. Get the chicken. And then today we're having some macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese. So you have the baked macaroni and cheese today. You have the ribs. Look at those ribs, look. Good and tender. That's Hollimer's Drunken Wings and more. Good old delicious ribs just fall off the bone. And barbecue chicken. Okay, enjoy. Don't forget to go to Hollimer's Drunken Wings and more. And my pudding and subscribe and like, please. Thank you.